Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to get infinite water in Terraria. So first of all, you will need an empty bucket as I have here. It doesn't cost much, you just have to have some lead and you can craft it pretty easily. And so you go to a water source, you go down, stand in it, and then left click. And then when you get out, you need to have a form like this. So you have to have, I think you can just have it like 2 blocks here, and then 3 on the bottom. You've got 3 on the bottom, and then you've got 2 here. And if you just, so if you put your mouse about here, you can just do this, and then it'll infinitely keep rising. So the way this works is you place it, some of it goes down, but because if you catch it right in time, you can keep you can actually just keep grabbing it again and again, and you can stop. Obviously, I just stopped, and you can do the same with lava and actually all of the liquids in Terraria, and just like keep on going. This will never run out. You can literally keep going until you get to the same level as your mouse, and it's not actually that difficult too. At some point it'll just become kind of natural. And of course, if it stops because you did some bad timing, you can just grab some more and continue. So yeah, that's how to do that. If you want any more Terraria tutorials, then I would recommend on clicking the next video or any of the others. Thank you for watching. Bye.